Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about 5 important tips which you should follow when you have taken a career break and you wanted to come back to the same work. There were a few comments in my videos asking, I had taken a career break for 1 year, 2 years. Now I wanted to come back to the same industry or same work after taking the break. What should I do? What are the things I should follow to get back to my previous job? It was the question many people were asking in some of the comments. In this video, I'll try to answer that question, like what are the key tips you should follow. The first tip you should follow is getting a job after taking a break is not very easy. It would be a very difficult situation, especially in Indian industry, because people think in a different way when you have taken a break. Even if you are trying to give many reasons, still people doesn't believe in Indian industry. Because of that, you have to move away from your comfort zone, because in initial phases you may need to struggle or you may need to fight back to take your new job after your career break. First thing is you should get away from your comfort zone, and also you should learn all your hard skill, all your soft skills before you are applying any job, because you might have 1 or 2 years of career break and new people who wanted to hire you, they don't want to take any risk. In order to avoid that, what you should do is you should take up as much as learnings, whatever the skill you wanted to apply or whatever the skill you wanted to get the job, then you should master those skills. You must practice those skills. Both it could be hard skills, it could be your soft skill. That is the first thing you should do. So after learning all these hard skills and soft skills, you should be able to prove that you have not forgotten any of these skills and still you are able to deliver, you are able to make up even after your career break as well. That is the impression you should provide to your interviewer in any interview. That means it requires a lot of preparation, and also it requires lot of confidence in you, plus lot of patience also required, because you just required only one job. You have to be very confident, you have to be very patient. Second tip is, because you are moving from a career break to a job, the interviewer or a manager will ask various questions. What is the reason? What is the reason you have taken a break? Is it a genuine reason or it is not a genuine reason? In order to validate all those queries, you will be asking 100 questions. That's why you should be preparing a well narrative, well prepared examples where you can tackle to answer any of these kind of difficult question. Unless if you are not well prepared to answer this question, moving back from career break is not very easy. As per your new narrative, you have to prepare your resume also accordingly. You should able to fill the gap in the resume in a genuine manner. You should not tell any lie there, but you should be able to market during this career break what are the skills you have taken up, what are the various things you did in the break that is going to help you in the new job, that you should be able to market in that interview. Unless if you are not able to market effectively your values, if you are going to bring into that new company, nobody will hire you. The third thing you should do is, once you have prepared your narrative, you have prepared your resume, you have filled all the gaps in the resume, then you talk to your old colleagues, you should talk to your old employer. If they are willing to take you, nothing like that. That is the first option you should always choose. You should try to reach out to your old organization. Even if they are not ready, then you should not leave there. You should keep trying. Until you get the new job, because you will be required only one job, and keep trying with a more confidence. If you just follow these 5 important tips, definitely you will end up in a good job even after having any kind of career gap. I am hoping this video was very useful for you. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video.